Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Our next turon for our Not Your Usual Turon series is Turong Malagkit of Calasiao, Pangasinan with vanilla syrup. Let's start by cooking the glutinous rice like the way of cooking for the white rice. Repeatedly wash the glutinous rice until it becomes clear. Then add 1 cup of water. The liquid is equal of the amount of glutinous rice. I added evaporated milk to make it more yummy and creamy. Add the salt and mix to combine well before cooking the glutinous rice mixture. Let's start wrapping the turong malagkit. I cut half the wrapper because this kind of turon is usually in small size only. Do this until you wrap all your cooked glutinous rice. Let's fry the turong malagkit until become golden brown and crunchy. Put in a strainer to drip the excess oil from the wrap. Let's make vanilla syrup. Combine the molasses and pure vanilla extract plus dark brown sugar. Mix well all the ingredients and prepare your two spatulas by putting some oil, even though I'm using silicone spatulas. When the oil from the pan is hot, then add the vanilla syrup mixture. When some caramel floating, then add immediately the turong malagkit and lower down the heat. After a good coat of vanilla syrup, tada! It's done! Our taster for this week is none other than my hubby, Mr. Donald
Honey,
Keppel.
please try the turon ng mga Calasiao, Pangasinan. That's turon.
That's the one you want me to try?
Okay, go, go, go.
So delicious. Yum, yum. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh yeah, crunchy.
Mmm. Mmm. Like I said,
Speechless.
it's so yummy. Oh my gosh.
Inanamnam. Can you taste the vanilla flavor?
Yes. Very
Okay.
much so.
Because it has a vanilla syrup.
Yummy food.
Oh, that's the second one.
I know. Don't
Okay,
worry.
go, go, go.
Mm. 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 So good. Wow. Mm.
This turon is
It's so
good. It's good.
Mm.
Not so sweet. This is perfect. No wonder. Calasiao, aside from puto, they have a good turon. Perfect.
Please like and comment and subscribe at Vilma's Yummy Yummy Food.
Kayami, please try making this turon. It's easy to make and yummy. Happy Sunday, everyone!